Number 2 wants us to simplify this radical. So first we see we have an index of 3. So our index is equal to 3. So that means we need 3 of the same number to take it out from the square root. And one of the first things I see is that we have an odd exponent and a negative. So right here, we have an odd exponent and a negative radicand. So we're going to take out the negative right away before I even look at it. That should be one of the first things you do. So we have negative 5, cube root 80, 8 to the 5th. Next, we're going to find the prime factorization of 80. So 80 breaks down to 2 and 40. 2 is prime. 40 breaks down to 2 and 20. 2 is prime. 20, 2 and 10. 2 is prime. Then we get 2 and 5. And those 2 are prime. So our index needs 3 of the same numbers. So I circle these because those are 3 of the same numbers, but 2 and 5 aren't the same. So our first number we bring out is a 2, so we get negative 5 times 2 cube root. And let's find out a to the 5th. So a to the 5th, if I could even write the 5 properly, right there, that doesn't break down perfectly with the 3, but if I were to bring it down and use the product rule, we get a to the 3rd divided by 3 times 2 to the 3rd. If I were to use the product property, 3 plus 2 is 5, so right here, I can see that still adds up to 5, so we still have the same thing. So using the exponential rule, we have 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. So we pull out 1 pair. And then 2 divided by 3, that means a to the 2nd power. So 2 times 5 would be under there. And then a to the 2nd power. So our final answer here, negative 10a cubic root 10a squared. And that's as far as we can simplify this radical.